Alright, what's up guys? My name is Zach and today I'm going to be doing a quick little how-to video on how to replace the outer door window seals on a 1979 to 1985 Mazda Rx-7. These seals were sent to me from Atkins Rotary. I will leave their product numbers up on the screen as well as in the description below. I will leave a direct link to these products. It's actually a really big deal that they're selling these because before this year, your only way to get these seals was either to find someone who had them, or up until 2016, there was a company called Black Dragon Automotive. They used to sell all of the seals, OEM, stuff like that, but they went out of business at the start of the year of 2016. So for the last 4 years, these have been very hard to come by. Now Atkins is producing them and selling them, which is absolutely huge. So I'll show some video of the packaging and then we'll get outside and install them on a 1985 RX-7. But again, this works for the SA as well as the FB RX-7. So 1978 to 1985. The first step is to remove the old seal. If you don't need to do this, skip to the time on the screen. Removing an old seal is pretty simple. Roll the window down for a better grip and angle, then simply pull up on the old seal. To replace the seal, the process is slightly more complicated, but still very simple. I first clean the surface where the new seal will be going. I just use some household cleaner and a paper towel. Now you can open your new seal. It may be beneficial to unfold it for a little while before putting it on the car. Atkins Rotary then recommends using WD-40 to lubricate the lip where the seal will sit on. All you have to do is slide the seal into place, but it's slightly trickier than you may think. Here's an illustration of a slice of the seal. The dark portion on the left is a felt or velvet feeling material designed to not catch or scratch the glass window. This is an illustration of how the seal slides onto the door. When inserting the seal, make sure it is pushed all the way towards the front of the door or front of the car. If you don't do this, you might have some extra length at the end of the seal and it won't fit properly. Once the seal is grabbing onto the lip, push down on the rubber where it is marked here on the screen. It should go lower with a satisfying almost click into place. Do this all the way down the seal. You may have to work it a little bit in some areas, but it'll go with some force. When you're done, raise and lower the window to make sure it seals properly. The seal is a universal piece that works on both the passenger and the driver's side. The installation is the same on both sides. All said and done, the installation took me under 4 minutes to complete. Remove the old seal by pulling up. Clean the surface, spray with WD-40, unbox your new seal, find the lip where it will sit on, push it towards the front of the car as much as possible, apply pressure all the way down the strip, and test the window functionality.